Beijing-based Galbot has pulled the wraps off the Galbot S1, an industrial-grade, heavy-duty, embodied intelligence robot designed to meet the growing demands of modern manufacturing. This breaks the long-standing payload limit in the industry, achieving a continuous dual-arm payload of 50 kilograms. The Galbot S1 has already been successfully deployed in the core production lines of manufacturing giants such as CATL, marking a historic shift for embodied AI from experimental demonstrations to real-world industrial applications. Powered by Galbot's proprietary AI, the robot's embodied handling model allows it to perform complex material handling tasks with high precision. The robot operates purely based on visual perception, eliminating the need for QR codes or labels for positioning. This means the Galbot S1 integrates seamlessly into existing production environments with minimal recalibration. Engineered for extended use, the Galbot S1 offers up to 8 hours of continuous operation on a single charge. Equipped with a dual battery quick swap design, it can autonomously replace its batteries, ensuring 24/7 operation in demanding industrial environments. Beyond the CATL deal, the company has already inked partnerships with industrial giants like Bosch, Toyota, SAIC Group, and Zeekr to explore new paradigms in flexible manufacturing powered by embodied AI.